Would you get down? We're going to be late for I-Bénewendé's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at I-Bénewendé's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese. Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé.
Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé.
Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé.
Happy birthday, my friend I-Bénewendé.
Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé.
Breaking news. It's I-Bénewendé's birthday today? And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé.
Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé.
Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé. Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé.
Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé.
Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé.
Happy birthday, I-Bénewendé.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get I-Bénewendé's party started.